Hello everyone, welcome to Gobel Power, and this is Suki. In today's video, I will teach you how to connect our 16 kilowatt battery pack with the PC side. Here is the JK314 16 kilowatt hours lithium battery pack from Gobel Power. The BMS is JK BMS 16S200A. And now I will show you how to connect with our PC computer. Here is the communicating port for you. We will ship together. And here is the USB port for you to connect to the computer. And this side is the network port for you to connect to the battery, to the RS485B. Okay, now it's already connect with the computer, and here ADS, we need to power on number 1. Okay. And let's open the JK BMS app you have downloaded on the computer before. Here it means it's the number 1 battery. And let's connect. Firstly, we set the language to English. Okay, after setting, you need to off this app first and open again. Okay, here connect. Okay, let's see the real-time page. Here shows the real time of this battery, and the SOC capacity is 9%, and the voltage here is 52.28 volt, and it also shows the current. The charge battery capacity is 314 ampere hours. Average cell voltage is 3.33 volt. Battery temperature 28 centigrade, and you can see there is a warning list here, and also on the battery you can see the alarm is lighting now, and the warning list shows modify the password in time. So how to modify the password is on setting. Here, verify password, and the password at first is 123456, and we confirm. Now we can start to set the status, and we should modify the password. Enter the old password 123456, and enter your new password. Confirm the password. Okay. The password of settings successfully, and you can see the alarm is now off. Okay, here is all the basic settings, the advanced settings here, and how to set all this status. We will send you the list how to set it, and here I can show you the pictures of the setting list how to set. We will send the status to you, and you set the status according to this. It's okay. And now on this page you can see the basic settings. The cell count 16S, and the battery capacity 314 ampere hours. Advanced setting, you can set all the status. And the next page is the control page here, and the logging. Here you can see the historical status of this battery and detailed loggings. About this is the JK BMS PB2A16S20P. It's V19. And after you parallel more batteries, here you can set the parallel status. Okay. So this is all about how to connect our JK314 battery pack with the PC side. So if you have any questions about this video, you can leave your comments on the comment section. And this video will also give you the setting parameters on this video. So see you next time.